I'm joined now by Alex Gold. He's the CEO and Managing Director of Klevo Rewards. Alex, let's jump right into it. First thing I want to know is what is a key milestone you believe could trigger a material re-rating of Klevo's share price over the next 12 months?
We are growing consistently. Our last 4C is showing consistent growth. Hopefully, next 2 3 quarters will show the same, and I believe that will trigger re-rating. Yet to be seen.
What catalyst would shift this stock from a microcap to a recognized growth fintech?
Very difficult for me to answer because what is the classification of recognized versus microcap? We just build our own story. We're growing. We are adding customers on a daily basis. Our revenues are growing. Our margins are growing. Our transaction volumes are growing. That's what we're building.
Which core KPIs should investors focus on each quarter to best gauge real business momentum? Is it customer growth, transaction volumes, revenue, or margins, and why?
Customer growth, really, because customer growth precedes the transaction volumes, and they basically the transaction volumes convert into margins, into revenues. But once you see the customer growth, the rest too will follow.
I see. And how does management then plan to scale the business?
We're growing organically, plus we are looking at different M&As.
What level of confidence is there in achieving that growth without significant shareholder dilution?
We're making money. Our revenues are going up. Costs are contained. We're managing our costs, and therefore, because we don't need money to fund our operations.
And if execution does go to plan, what does Clavo look like in 2 to 3 years in terms of scale and valuation?
Hard for me to say, but if you would want to I would say that you could look at a company which is called Afterpay and see where they started and where their growth has taken them. And I'm not saying we will become the next Afterpay, but we might.
Why do you believe Clavo can outperform other ASX listed fintech peers?
Look, we're just crafting our own story. I don't compete with anyone. We don't see basically, happy to partner with anyone, happy to grow together. We're not in any shape or form challenging anyone. We have our own, spice, and we're growing within our own spice, which is basically helping Australians to use crypto assets. This is with the growth of crypto ecosystem. I think our business will grow.
Terrific. Thank you so much, Alex. That was Alex Gold. He's the CEO and Managing Director of Klevo Rewards.
Thank you.